Question number 32. Which graph could show how the resistance R of a filament lamp varies with the applied potential difference V as V is increased to the normal operating potential difference? Okay, so what is being asked, when you increase the value of V, how does the resistance change? Okay, so in this given circuit, so resistance of a filament, okay, when you increase the voltage, then what can happen? Current will increase, and current will increase. When current will increase, what will happen? The temperature passing through it, that is the voltage increases, the power dissipated in the resistance will increase. As a result of this, the temperature will increase, and when temperature increases, resistance will also increase, right? The resistance is seen to be given by the formula R equal to R naught into 1 plus alpha delta T, okay, which means that somewhere this R is directly proportional to changes in temperature. So which means this should be given by the equation y equal to mx plus c, where you see this delta T is nothing but x over here. So thus you see, as V increases, V is proportional to T, and as a result of it, delta T will also increase, and hence you see the Y also increases, or the resistance increases proportionately. And thus which option will be correct? This option A would be the correct one.